Then dip me underway. You can kill my mind for flow.
Hi guys, so we're getting ready to go to this our Basel-ish event hosted by my girl Farrah Charles. Well, not hosted by her, but it's like her event. She has someone who's hosting it, obviously, because she's a fucking superstar. But I'm getting ready to go right now. It ends at 8 and it's now 5:49, so we're gonna catch like the last hour or so of it. But here we go.
And rock right up to the eye of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right to the bottom of my fountain. I want the
Charlemagne. So 2 questions. 1, where's the trash? Because your daughter put fries in the drink. That's the first question.
Over
Second
there by the
question.
door.
Can we pop the Hennessy?
Can we do it?
Can we pop the Hennessy? Where is it? Where is it? It's right there.
Where's the Hennessy, guys? Oh, there it is.
Right.
It's right there.
The door next
Yo,
door.
money, money. What's up here? Because it's so come. See what happens. Of course, the music would go down as soon as I'm done telling the story. I swear.
And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
We're definitely there.
As in we, not we.
Well, we. I was inviting you. I was inviting you.
I'm fine. I like how you know how to pose. I got a picture already.
Oh, you got it already?
Yeah, let's move.
Okay.
Let's move. Pose. Can you do that one again? Do you think you can laugh like that again? That was very No, that's a little much. Like, that was very natural.
Take your picture.
That was very natural.
You gotta come out too.
That was very natural.
You gotta take one with her.
Okay.
Mr. Arnold's darling.
Absolutely. Oh, there you go. That's perfect. That's perfect. Can you?
You gotta hold it though.
I can't hold it. Like
That's how I told him. I said, stop playing.
It's either gonna get it or
How you want to like?
You
You want behind it?
I want to give her a.
Like that?
You're either gonna get it or you're not, darling. Like
I don't know why it's not popping up. That's always good. Yeah.
right, it's always a good go-to.
Don't talk.
That was great.
That was good.
I don't know your hands have
Oh, she doesn't like to be told what to do? Well,
That's what.
I'm used to it. I know.
I've never been, but I'll get there.
I ain't never been with a baddie.
Okay.
Oh, that's good. This
That's
light, this one,
fantastic.
this one.
Let me just make sure that I'm not overexposed. That's great. Can you guys have like a hands together? There you go.
Hands together, like
Put that in-
heart,
there you
because
go.
we're in love.
Oh, there we go. Put it there, there. I'm at like 1.4, so like it's a little bit of.
Alright, that camera's hot.
Yeah, but you could. That's okay.
For you guys who do not know me, I am Kissyface454. I am a YouTuber, actually. I don't consider myself a sexpert or a sexologist. I leave that to Miss Kimmy Lavage over there. Give it up for her.
Still following you.
Sexpert guru. But I do love to talk about sex. I do love to learn and, you know, all that good stuff. Recently, I wrote a book on how to give an amazing blowjob. So that is what I want to talk about today. How to give an amazing blowjob, and my book, of course, because I'm gonna promote my own self too. You know? Yeah. So
Where can we find the book? First.
the book is on my Instagram in my bio at Kissyface, KSSYFVCE.
I'm more than 10, if I know more than 10,000 right now. No trust devil, them a pray hard, you get better. If you not trust BS, don't
I'ma
trust
have to
devil.
finish
Human
it.
being, no trust devil.
My whole drink just spilled on me. Like, literally, the whole thing. It's like the universe knows someone ever like the drinks, and it just dashed away. Jesus. God.
Another piece, that's another song. Ice in the VVs, now she down to get
We got another one.
I got all this water on me like Fiji.
Let's
Bitch, I'm
hope this
posted up
one
with
is
ice
better
and
than the
sweeties.
last one.
Smoking the Zaza, I go straight to the Mata, then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Open his mouth,
Much better. It's much better. Clearly, I have to tell her specifically Tito's and Sprite and not just some random fucking vodka and some random fucking soda. But here we are.
Remember me when we're gone, we live forever.
We're not going under. Alright. Where's my sunglasses? Did I not
You
wear
didn't bring them in there. No, you did not. You did not.
We're sure? We're 100%
Positive,
sure.
positive, baby. You did not.
Okay.
You're on the wrong side. I'm on the opposite side.
Okay. So I did not lose my sunglasses. I did leave my jacket though. Is it? Okay. So we can't get tacos. Taco Bell it is. Fuck. Taco Bell it is.